Good afternoon, one and all. This is Shruti Simhakri. Today I am going to discuss a topic called web design principles in HTML. Effective web design is generally judged by the users of the website and not the website owners. The purpose of a website is to support and enhance the goals of your business or organization. A website should be much more than just an online browser. Designing and building a website is both an art and a science. Designs should enable your users to reach their goals with speed, effectiveness, and most importantly, pleasure. There are many factors that affect the usability of a website, and it is not just about form but also function. Let us discuss about the principles which we are having designing a web. The first foremost one is appearance. A website reflects company's product and service. Hence, it must be visually appealing, polished, and professional. All the visuals of any website, like logo, fonts, white spaces, template, layout, and colors, should meet company's needs and features. An attractive site generates a positive impression which helps to attract users' attention. A good use of color, readable text, meaningful graphics, quality photography, and simplicity impresses site visitors. And the second principle we should follow in designing a web page is content. Along with appearance, a website must have good content. The key to a good website is providing relevant content that your readers want. The relevant website content closely matches the information what the people need. The informative website increase visitor confidence in company's knowledge as well as competence. The short, organized and regular updated content grab visitors' attention. And the third principle to design a website is purpose of each content. Purpose of each content. In a good design, each element or content should be weighed and measured before being placed in the layout. A website's page is limited by a screen size and scrolling, so you can not afford to waste the precious space for unnecessary and useless decorations. Each website page should also have a clear purpose and help your visitors to find what they need. Each button, navigation menu, contact form, etc., should lead your visitors exactly to their goals without confusing them. It helps to build a strong brand client relationship. And the next one is design consistency. Design consistency. Your design element should match throughout each page. It means your headings, subheadings, fonts, button styles, and sizes, everything should be the same look and feel every time they are used. Think out each detail in advance. Choose the right colors and fonts for your text and buttons. If you have chosen rounded edges for your images and buttons, then stick to this decision throughout the entire website design. And the fifth principle is effective navigation. Effective navigation. Good navigation is the basis for effective web design. A main navigational toolbar or menu should come up with a meaningful and clear way to organize, arrange, and display content to users. And the next web design principle is usability. Usability. The success of website can be measured by its degree of usability. Website must be easy to read, navigate, and understand. The various elements that can improve the usability of any website includes browser compatibility, user friendly, descriptive text linking, effective navigation, fast loading pages, popular scroll, etc. And the next principle is functionality. Functionality. Website has to be functional and work correctly. The various elements that can improve the functionality of any website include proper hyperlinks, contact forms, search options, event registration, multimedia elements, sitemap, and image positions. And the eighth principle in designing a website is grid layout. Grid layout. Okay, so or else we can also call this as grid based layout. The randomly placed images, pieces of text, buttons, and forms all over the page leave users frustrated. Proper alignment of the website content of the page helps to avoid the mess and organizing it in a more user friendly way. It helps users to get the information of your website provides without efforts. It makes the website design more elegant and comprehensive. Okay, so whatever the principles we have covered in this web design implementation are more important while we are designing a website. We should obey or follow all these principles while we are designing a website. I think you people can understand. Thank you for watching.